First up, Fort Charlotte in Lucy, Hanover. The British naval fort was built in 1746 to defend the northwest section of the island. The fort got its name from King George III's consort, Queen Charlotte. It had a barrack to house 50 men, 23 embrasures for 23 guns, 20 of which were mounted. The fort is built of rectangular cut stone with several openings towards the sea. An artillery store, 3 guns, and a circular base for the rotation of guns still remains intact at the fort. A section of the fort now forms part of the lower campus of the Russies High School. The stone ruins of Kenilworth is another heritage site. It's a mile in from the main road leading to Sandy Bay at a place called Magotty Cove.
Hey, afternoon, Theo.
Hi, Miss James.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
You are now on the illustrious Magotty Cove. That's what it was called then.
Yeah.
This is Kenilworth Northwest TVET Institute, to be exact.
Yeah.
Kenilworth campus.
Okay.
So welcome.
Thank you.
Nice to have you here today.
Yes.
Yes, it is not only the home of Heart Trust Training Institution, it's also the home of the famous ruins. The property was owned by a Thomas Blagrove, a young man, died at 22, you wouldn't believe it. Yes, he was the slave owner, and also he was a representative of the parish of Hanover. He was buried on this property. Yes, and so there is another addition to the historic ruins.
Cemetery.
Very much so.
The 207-acre property now houses the Heart Trust NTA's Northwest TVET Institute, which includes Kenilworth, Granville, Cornwall Automotive, and Falmouth.
Currently, we have a myriad of information technology programs. We train system technicians. We do web page design. We also train computer repairs technicians. And you know they are 21st century skills. We have hospitality skills program, and in a little while too, I am going to invite you and your team to experience Kenilworth dining.
We say goodbye to Kenilworth and hello to our final stop for the day, the Trial Great House. Our tour guide, JNHT told us the 2,200-acre estate has a number of 19th century architecture, including a 3-mile aqueduct, a great house, the ruins of a fort, and a water wheel which still works.
Even though my trip has been cut short by the rain, it doesn't have to end here for you. You may call 956-5660 to arrange your own tour.